A delicious, soft sponge, perfect for those who love chocolate. Beat butter and stirred in a mixer to incorporate. Add the brown, white sugar and a pinch of salt and continue mixing to get a light and fluffy texture. Continue by adding the rest of the ingredients, the vanilla essence, the eggs, and sifted cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch alkaline cocoa powder. Incorporate the powder using a spatula to prevent the dust of covering the whole working surface. To enhance the bitter flavor, add some coffee. To create an acidic medium, add the buttermilk. Both liquids should be at the room temperature. Continue mixing to get an even consistency throughout. Add the sifted cake flour mixed with the baking powder. Fold in the flour to achieve an even consistency, but do not overmix to develop too much gluten. Once the mixture gets even in color and texture, fold in the grated chocolate. Spread the mixture into the pre-lined baking tins and bake at 170 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Sponge will be baked when lightly touched on the top. It will bounce back like a spring, leaving no marks on the surface. Or use a toothpick and make sure that it comes out clean when you insert in the cake. Have a go!